Welcome to Classic Car TV. I am Diego Rosenberg, and I will talk to you about this 1967 Mercury Comet, but first, a word from our sponsors.
Life is too short to drive foreign cars!
Welcome back to Classic Cars TV. We have this 1967 Mercury Comet Capri. It is one of approximately 60 Comets with a 427 engine. Of those, 7 were Capris. 6 of them have dual quads like this one. All of them had the 4-speed. The Capri was the second from the bottom of all the Comets, above the 202 and below the Caliente and Cyclone GT. So you're going to find it has a bench seat interior, pretty Spartan, but this is the cheapest hardtop because the only way you could get a cheaper car would be with a 2-door sedan body style. Thank you for watching Classic Cars TV. If you'd like to find a classic car of your own, just like this 67 427 Comet, go to classiccars.com or our sister website, AutoHunter.com. Be sure to press the subscribe button on YouTube so you can see more of these videos. Thank you.